Hello dear students, welcome to my session. Dear students, in the previous lab I introduced about the healthy diet system, and we discussed why do we need to follow healthy food, healthy diet style and so on. In this video we will discuss more about what to eat, why to eat, etc. Basically, a healthy food diet includes a variety of fruits and vegetables of many types, colors. Eating healthfully also means avoiding foods with high amounts of added salt and sugar. So dear students, we need to know what are the benefits we get by following healthy diet, by following healthy food eating. The very first one, these days people are obsessed and they are facing many problems by their overweight. So by following a proper healthy eating, a healthy diet, one can lose weight as well as gain weight. If you are bony, if you are skinny, if you are lean, by following proper health style, food style, you can gain weight. So the very first benefit we get is we can lose our weight. The second one is we can reduce the risk of any health problems, diseases, illnesses, sicknesses, or some chronic diseases too, some major diseases like cancer. In most of the countries, people affect by cancer due to their food style. Remember, the third benefit we could discuss about 60% of the world is been suffering from this diabetes. We can manage diabetes properly at a stable level by following proper healthy diet. The other benefit we can have by following healthy food style is we can keep our heart at a proper health. So we can have healthy heart, and we can even prevent some stroke issues. Not only we have these benefits, but also we can keep our next generation healthy. We discussed about these chronic diseases. Why do we get chronic diseases? Because our forefathers have this disease and we are attacked by diseases. And we can prevent these chronic diseases. We can save our future generation by following healthy diet style, healthy eating by now. By following proper healthy style, we can live our life to the fullest. People say live 100 years. Basically, the lifespan of human being is 100 years. But it has reduced to 60 years these days. The next generation textbook can be changed as human lifespan is only for 60 years. Why is it reduced? The question is because our healthy eating habits have got changed. And if you follow proper healthy style, you can live your life to the fullest. The next benefit is we can make our bones strong, teeth, nerves, everything, our whole body we can make stiff. Due to our bad health diet, our hair gets dry, our hair gets white. There are some supplementary problems we get. We can prevent them reduce them by following proper health diet. The other benefit we get is not physically but mentally. The time when you have proper proper health, the health you get is by proper diet. You have proper health, which means you have a proper mood, better mood. You can have your cognitive and psychological stability. By this, you can try to improve your concentration on your work by improving your memory style, so that whatever the target destination you put for the future can be achieved soon if you do not have any health issues. If you have proper health system in your body, you can have a sound sleep. You can have a proper sleep. You have a proper sleep, you have another day well. Dear students, by this, let me introduce our next topic. What should you be eating? I request everyone to kindly follow the textbook. So, the weight loss industry, here the text goes, the weight loss industry is a very large, profitable and growing industry. Modern lifestyles often cause weight gain and obesity, leading to an influx of weight loss plan and products into the market. It is widely accepted that weight gain or loss depends on food intake and exercise. To put it briefly, weight change is equal to calories in minus calories out. A healthy eating pyramid helps you to demonstrate and understand how a balanced diet can be achieved. The following form of the pyramid breaks gives you the healthy eating style. So the left side of pyramid shows you the healthy food style. Okay, dear students, the next side heading is whole grains. What is this whole grains is going to help to have a proper healthy food style, a proper healthy diet? Let's learn. Healthy carbohydrates take longer for the body to digest. This helps to prevent any sudden rise and fall of blood sugar levels and insulin in the body. Healthy carbohydrates help prevent type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. The benefits of healthy carbohydrates are the reason why they are placed at the base of the food pyramid. Some sources of healthy carbohydrates are oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Oh, this is about whole grains. Oh, now we understood. Now, dear students, the next one. The next side heading, the side subtopic is healthy fats and oils. Oh my God, there are some fats and oils which help our health. Let's learn. It is a myth that all fats should be avoided. Some fats are healthy, of course, and required for a balanced diet to have a proper health. Yes, they help control cholesterol and prevent heart diseases. This explains why fats appear so close to the base of the food pyramid. Healthy fats can be found in olives, nuts, seeds, sunflower, peanuts, and fatty fish such as salmon. Oh, these are the foods and oils which are important to maintain proper health. That is interesting and very good of whole grains and healthy fats and oils. Okay, dear students, by this you have understood whole grains and healthy fats. In the next video, we'll discuss about fruits and vegetables, fish, poultry and eggs, dairy, and the other topics too.